Okay, so let's look at example number 4 now, and this question is going to read x squared minus 16x is equal to 0. Now, what many people do here is they may think, well, I may divide by x, right? And so earlier we saw that that may be an error, because when I divide by x, x could possibly be 0, and then dividing by x is an issue, because if 0 is a solution, which it may likely be, then we've got a problem, because now we're making the entire equation undefined. And if you divide by 0, you are left with x minus 16, which is equal to 0. Therefore, the x must be a value of 16 in order to say 16 minus 16 is giving me 0. Okay, what value must you put in x such that when you minus 16, you get 0? That means x is equal to 16. This here, again, is a common error. The solution, I've obtained one solution now, right? And dividing by x over here is actually a common error. Okay, so what should we do? Let's look at how this question should be solved. Remember, once you have it in standard form where you've worked towards 0, I've left with x squared minus 16x is equal to 0. What should I do? I should try and factorize, and when I factorize, I always look for a common factor first. So x multiplied by what gives me x squared, that's going to be x, and x minus 16. Negative 16 times x will give me the negative 16x. And therefore, either this is x equals to 0, or this over here, which is the second part, minus 16 is equal to 0, and therefore x is equal to positive 16. Okay. And that's example number 4.